how to turn on developer options on the Samsung Galaxy A53 to A57. Now first tap on the home button, then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on about phone. Next, go down and tap on software information and then tap on the build number 7 times. So let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After you tap on 7 times, now you need to confirm your PIN. So we put in the screen PIN. Then tap on continued. Sorry, I'll just do it again. And then tap on OK. After that, we go back to settings. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should now see developer options activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.